everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the Gucci Marmont in Small Velvet. I am so excited to share this with you guys. I literally just picked it up from the Gucci store and have brought it back. I haven't even seen it apart from the ones in the store. So I'm so excited to share this with you guys. If you do like this, give me a like and a subscribe for more unboxing reviews, you name it. So let's dive in. So like I said, I'm so excited. I just picked this up from Gucci in Queen Street, Auckland, and they've given me like a humongous box, but you know, I really don't care. I am just so excited. Gucci put all of their items in these really beautiful classic boxes, and they've actually put a ribbon around this for me this time. They didn't do it on my last box, but I'm really excited about it, just because it's got the Gucci print on the ribbon itself. And yeah, so this will be my receipt. So I bought this in New Zealand for $2,350 New Zealand. I just really wanted this bag and I loved it, and I just thought, why not? I mean, a girl deserves to have nice things. I mean, I save up for these sorts of items. If you do want some tips and tricks on how to save up for these sorts of items, I will do a video later on. Anyways, let's open this bad boy. And here it comes in this really nice dust bag. All Gucci's items that you buy from the store will come in one of these. And what this is just a protected, it's a dust bag for traveling, for storage, and they're just really cute to use. I actually use these bags if I'm traveling. And around the house, if I'm not using the bag, I will keep them in here. However, I'm probably going to be using this bag a lot. So we've got another bag. Bags and bags and bags. Anyways, ta-da! So I went for the velvet black. I just feel it brings depth to the bag and makes the hardware really shine. It's really great. It's got this great, the GG logo on the front there. And it's got this really great strap which you can wear across the body or on your shoulder, just like my other bag. I really like having bags that are universal like that. I'm not too sure if you can see it up there, but yeah, it is the velvet black and it is just so beautiful with the heart on the back there. You can just see it. So as you can see, this is I didn't go for the mini. I went for the small, just because I do want this to be a bag that I use all the time, and I thought it'd be great to be able to have my full-size wallet in there along with my sunglasses, phone, without having to sacrifice things so that I can take the bag out. So the clip is just underneath. Just take the tissue out. Awesome! So inside it's got this beautiful silk blush colour inside here. And it's surprisingly quite a sturdy bag. And then we've also got the chain here, and you can wear it like so. So you've got two ways of wearing the bag depending on the occasion or how you're feeling. One thing that the sales assistant did tell me was to be careful of where the chains sit on the material, and also to make sure that there's nothing pressed against this velvet, because it will make a dent in it and you can't really get that out. So she did suggest, when I'm not using it, to have it hanging somewhere, and that will eliminate any sort of wear and tear, just so the bag can stay in its neat condition. Now, another key thing with pretty much, I would recommend this for any bag that you've got. Any bag, doesn't have to be a designer bag at all, but to have your lipsticks, I think I've said this in my other videos, but I swear by it, is to get a little makeup purse and have all your liquids, moisturizers, foundations in the bag, and then put that bag in this bag, so if something spills, you can hopefully get to it first in the little bag before it goes into this bag. I prefer to get just a cheap little bag, so if that gets damaged, then I don't need to worry about my bag having any damage. But I mean, is it worth it? I think yes. This is like by far one of the sexiest bags I have bought. I mean, it is totally up to you. I mean, there are so many gorgeous bags out there that you can go for, But I mean, I am just so happy. I mean, see how large it is there. I'm so happy to have this bag in my hands now. This is something I've wanted for a while, so to actually have it, I'm just so over the moon. So the main reason I went for this bag instead of the leather was because I feel like, personally, the velvet, it just makes the gold hardware stand out. The bag itself gives it a bit of depth, you would say, which then allows all these bits and bobs to kind of stand out. And the feeling of it, it just feels so amazing. It'll be interesting to see how it holds up. I'd like to think that if I take care of my bag, so I'd like to think that the life of this handbag will be a long one, but I am going to be wearing it every day. But I will give you guys an update on how this is going. Anyways guys, that's my video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!